Alright, so let's just get straight to the point. Cashmemarketin, Abdul Ilyas, Abdul Ilyas is a scam. So we've all heard about these so-called millionaires on Instagram, the people who have come from rags to riches and now selling their courses that can make you live the exact lifestyle. A lifestyle of living in Dubai and having lavish cars, Lamborghinis, having money and designer clothing. But is it really legit? Well, you see, Cashmemarketin and his boys since 2018 have been trying to take over the Instagram game, and they've hidden their tracks very well. But it's time to expose them. Now, if you haven't heard of Cashmemarketin and wondering what does he do, he basically sells his knowledge. Well, it's not actually his knowledge. It's all public information that he's turned into a course and sells. So let's go back to 2018. Abdul Ilyas started the typical IML pyramid scheme, where initially he would get a friend to sign up and he would make a commission off everyone who signed up, and then they would proceed to do the same thing. But then boom, IML was done. Everyone then knew in fact it was a scam. So where did Abdul go from there? He then turned into a property expert selling courses on how to manage property. Yeah, he's never showed any of his properties or any of the managing he did. Now he claims to be a marketing expert, but after going through some of his courses, I came to the realization that he knows shit all about marketing. In fact, for some reason, he not only sells marketing courses, him and his little boy sell courses from Amazon FBA to drop shipping. And sadly, people fall for the truth. They see his magical lifestyle and want all that, but the truth is real success takes time. Nothing happens overnight. Now, let's talk about Bas, the paedophile. Now, you might be asking, Qasim, did you just call Bas a paedophile? Yes, I did. Yes, indeed I did. Now, I don't have much proof on his nonsense behavior, so we'll move on from it quick. But have a look at these screenshots. However, as we're on the topic of Bas, let's talk about his Amazon FBA course. So Bas charges £297 for an Amazon FBA course, which isn't actually his. Now you may be asking, what do you mean it's not actually his? Turns out man like Bas the pedo has just taken someone else's video and now charges for the same exact video. I mean, you could at least find a video that sounded like you or was similar to you. So let's play a little clip from your...
To buy. Well, first of all, it takes establishing the right product criteria. Okay, now let's look at how to set up a product or create a product listing like we see normally on Amazon.
You can see Bas the Asian pedo has magically turned into a white old American guy, and the worst thing is this section from the course is taken directly from Amazon's site, which is for free. So let's get straight to the point. You pay £297 for a course which has videos which are free on the internet. Makes total sense, right? Let's move on from that guy. Both Abdul and Isaac have blocked me on Instagram. However, Isaac was being a little bit of a go. You see, for 3 or more days, Isaac Marketing, who doesn't even do marketing, would pre my Instagram story 24/7, 7 days a week while on his holiday in Dubai. I was quite saddened when Cashmemarketin and his boys blocked me. However, there was one who never blocked me and actually answered me. It's the one and only biggest gyalist in Derby, Jamal. Now, Jamal seems like a nice guy. He posts his mom on his feed and overall was nice when he was talking to me. However, they all do the same thing and sell that BS course, which are all public information that don't actually help you. As you can see in the messages, I did want to speak to both Abdul and Isaac as I wanted to get the video with all facts, but I never got a reply after that, so I'm making this video. Now you've all been waiting to see Abdul's courses, so let me show you them and let's get through some of them. But before we go there, let's hear from our sponsors. Okay, so I only have 10 subscribers, so no one's going to sponsor me, but smash the like button and subscribe so one day I can hopefully get sponsored. We all know both Abdul and Abdul's fans are watching this saying, I have no proof, so let's get some testimonials from his students. I'm obviously going to have to hide that person's identity as you never know what the strong and bulky Isaac could do to him. So let's try to keep his identity very, very safe and let's hear his testimonial.
I said it's a scam. So basically what they do is like a crop cycle. They target the younger audience to be like their fake life. So they will need to have like all the new tech, new, what's it called, phones, like have the new drip, the new clothes, watches. So others would like them, others will know that they will have money. But what these guys do, that's how they get you into the program. They take your money and then they do not refund you. They say they'll get in contact with your team, they'll delay it, and then they'll say there's 14 days, something, blah, 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 along them lines, somewhere around there. And that's what they'll do. They'll sell you their fake lifestyle, and back then I got into it. And then, what's it called, you'll be entered into their course, and then from there you can't make it out then. I haven't made one single penny, I think, in the last year since I purchased the course. Some of the course videos are very easy as well, like it's common knowledge, like you would already know what they're saying. And also,
so now you've heard it firsthand from someone who spent over £1,000 on their course. Alright, so I know everyone wants me to go more in depth with the courses, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go into the e-commerce and social media marketing courses. But before we do that, let's hear from some people who have bought his course. Let's hear some voice notes of what they're saying about the course. Now, as you can see, someone sent me a voice note on WhatsApp, which is 25 minutes long. And now, of course, this video isn't even 25 minutes long, so I'm not going to include all of it. I'm just going to include little snippets in there. And then we're going to move on. I promise we're going to move on straight to Abdul's social media marketing agency course, or as he likes to call it, online marketing agency.
yeah, so, during the course, you're learning a lot. It's very, how can I say, it's very disorganized in a way. They give you a lot of information. They give you a lot of information, and it's a bit miss and match sometimes.
So as you can see, we're on the online marketing agency, but the thing is, it isn't really an online marketing agency course. It's a social media marketing course. So you really need to be specific there, Abdul. Now, I know Abdul is definitely 110% watching this video, I know for a fact. So as we've gone through the videos, it's not actually Abdul speaking, it's all Nabs. Now, Nabs is another one of the Cashmemarketin boys. He's one of the little boys. You got Jamal, Nabs, Isaac, Bastapedo, and you got Abdul, of course. Now, the first thing I saw was how to get customers to pay you. Now, I myself am a social media marketer, so I know all about marketing and social media marketing in particular. Now, when I saw the word customer being used in this title, I was very intrigued. Reason being is because anyone who's in the marketing space knows for a fact you don't call them customers, you call the business owner a client. They're a client of yours that pay you a monthly amount to do their FB ads or run ads or do social media management, etc. So I was going through this course, and it's not really a social media marketing course that's going to make you money at all. I mean, it's very, very simple information. Now, if anyone's in the marketing space, they know who Aman Ghazi is. Now, Aman Ghazi is one of the biggest social media marketing YouTubers on the platform. And the one thing I noticed about a lot of these social media marketers who actually own an agency is they always put it in their bio what agency they own. Like if you look in my bio, you'll see I own Social Secret UK. But I've noticed with Abdul, he doesn't show any of that. And it's very intriguing because, if you have such a big following, you'd want people to look at your social media marketing agency. You want them to look at your Instagram page. But for some reason, Abdul, you don't have that. And I know for a fact you don't do marketing. I know for a fact none of you do marketing. None of you do dropshipping. None of you do the things that you claim to do or sell in your courses. And it's very, very annoying that people are actually buying your course. And if you're watching this video and you still go buy that course, I'm sorry, but you're the dumbest person on earth. Now, while I was editing this video, someone reached out to me and they showed me one of Abdul's old pages. Now, this page included some of the testimonials from people who bought his course. But what's very interesting is these 3 videos, as you can see here. These specific 3 people. Let's look at the first one. It's Isaac. It's Cashmemarketin's boy. It's Abdul's boy. They're best friends, yeah? But he's doing a testimonial for him. It's very interesting. And if we look at the second one, it's Mr. Gov. Mr. Gov, whatever your name is. And everyone knows you're a scam. So it's very funny that you are making a testimonial. I mean, all these scammers have come together to, help each other out by doing fake testimonials that aren't actually going to help you. Now, I really wish this page was still alive, but it's not out there. And I cannot find this page. Someone just took a screenshot. And, at the bottom, we can see Bastapedo, obviously. But, he's just irrelevant at this moment. Alright, so that's today's video over. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this where I'm making a lot of more business and finance videos. I'm also starting a new podcast called the CryptoCast where we're going to be talking about cryptocurrency with some very big people. And once we have 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to try and get Poker Banks on there. So make sure to subscribe, like, comment, do all that. Share this video with your friends and making a big awareness about Cashmere Marketing and his little boys. And thank you all for watching.